today's vlog is shopping time! Beauty, guys.
Beauty. Kahit hindi kami beauty, guys.
Mag-shopping kami, guys.
Kahit wala kaming beauty.
Yes. So, we're here, guys. Ito po yung pangalan ng guys, beauty product namin na bibilhin namin ngayon, guys. Ito na po si Diana, guys. Siya po yung model dyan, guys. It really hurts. It really hurts na magmahal ng iba. It really hurts. Kayo, guys, sa lahat ng tinda dito, everything, guys, is pang beauty lang talaga siya, guys. Kita niyo to, guys. Lahat to. Guys, nasa last aisle na po tayo ng tour natin. Ito po, guys, dito po lahat ng mga kulay, guys. All hair accessories, guys. Ay, magkano ba ito? Wow, $7, $9. Ito lahat, guys. Pangbuhok lahat. Ang gaganda niya, guys. Hindi ko nga alam, guys, kung anong bibilhin ko. Sobrang dami. Oops, nandito naman si Diana, guys. Serious na talaga, guys, kasi umupo na, guys.
Grabe ka.
Wow, grabe ka. Grabe ka mag-shopping lang. Ang dami na ng dala mo. Do you need cart, ma'am? Can I help you with something, ma'am? Any questions?
No, thank you.
Guys, may nahanap po si Diana, guys. Ito yun, guys. Gusto niya itong bilhin, guys, kasi baka daw pag gamitin niya to, guys, magiging gold yung katawan niya. Tingnan yung pangalan, guys. 24K gold.
That's the end of our shopping. Diana, wow, she's so happy, guys. Talaga siyang sumayaw siya, guys. Dahil sa nakuha niya, guys.
Wow!
Dahil sa nakuha niya, guys, kasi mayaman siya today. We just got paid. Sa akin, guys, ito lang po, guys. Itong dalawa. So ito, guys, tinatawag na Macadamia Natural Oil. Dahil super dry yung hair ko, guys. Dahil mga kulay-kulay na yan. Ito na lang yung bibilhin ko, guys. Tingnan natin. Ang mahal pa naman, guys, $20. Tsaka ito, guys. Bayaran ko din to, guys, kasi wala na akong brush. Okay? So, because I have that, that should really good finishing. So, our payment time na, guys. Naglalay na si Diana. As always, guys, ang dami niyang tanong. Hindi pa siya tapos, guys, sa mga tanong niya.
Guys, that's the end of our vlog today. At tingnan mo yung nabili namin. Konti lang to, guys. But, you know, sometimes, guys, you have to treat yourself. You work so hard for. Kaya, yun. Shopping konti lang. Pang-pa-beauty. Basta pang-pa-beauty, guys, go si Diana dyan.
Kasi wala kaming beauty.
Walang beauty, guys, eh. Nadala lang to sa filter, guys. Alright, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.